Yikes! Unpacking an expressive word. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a word that's short but packed with emotion. Yikes! By the end of this video, you'll understand when and how to use it, and what it means when you hear it. Yikes is an interjection. Interjections are words or phrases that express strong emotion, and they can often stand alone. When someone says, "Yikes," they're usually expressing surprise, alarm, or discomfort about something. It's like saying, "Oh no," or "Oops." For example, imagine you see someone nearly drop a glass vase. You might exclaim, "Yikes," because you were momentarily worried it would shatter. 1. Surprising situations. When something happens unexpectedly, like a sudden loud noise. 2. Mild disapproval. If you see or hear something you think is slightly off or wrong. For example, if a friend tells you about a minor mistake they made at work, you might say, "Yikes," to show empathy. 3. Realizing mistakes. If you forgot to do something important and suddenly remember, you can say, "Yikes, I forgot to call Jane." 4. Hearing uncomfortable stories. When someone shares a story that makes you cringe a bit, "Yikes," can be a way of acknowledging that you understand their discomfort. While "yikes" is commonly understood in English-speaking cultures, its meaning might be lost or misunderstood if translated directly into another language. So, when speaking to someone whose first language isn't English, make sure to gauge their familiarity with this kind of slang before using it. Remember, language isn't just about words, but also about context and cultural understanding. And there you have it. Now you know how to use "yikes" to express surprise, discomfort, or mild alarm. It's a fun and expressive word that adds a bit of flair to your conversations. We hope you found this video helpful, and remember, language is all about understanding and being understood. Happy chatting, and until next time.